Akwu is not banga. This is banga and it belongs to Urobo and Isoko people from Delta States. They use it to eat stash. It's a soup they used to eat stash. Stash. And this is Ofe Akwu. It belongs to the Igbo people. It is used to eat rice. Rice or sikapa. I have tested banga and I have tested Ofe Akwu. They don't taste anything alike. They are very different. Very, very different. So I don't understand why you, as an Igbo person, you are calling Ofe Akwu banga. Mama gi na village on a Ofe Akwu banga. Mama gi on a Ofe Akwu banga. You will see an Igbo person living in Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo, Anambra, Abia states, calling Ofe Akwu banga. Kembenka hubidor. Ofe Akwu is not banga. Ofe Akwu is not banga. And there is nothing like Ofe Akwu stew. That Ofe in Ofe Akwu means soup. Palm kernel soup. Ofe Akwu. It is not Ofe Akwu stew. Be proud of your own language. Be proud. Igbo. I hot home why our Igbo people, when they learn new word from another culture, they will abandon their own word and copy that other word that they have learnt. Are you not proud of your own language? Copy.